Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the touch command that allows you to create an empty file or update a file's date and time settings. Let's try it out and see how it works. First, to create a new empty file, you would simply use a command like this. And if you look at a file listing, you should see today's date and time, and you should see that the file is empty unless such a file already existed. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, maybe you need to be sure that a file exists before some script or process runs, and that's an easy way to create it. If you touch an existing file, the date and time settings will be updated to the current date and time. So now I can do this my file, and then touch my file, list it again, and you'll notice that the file date has been updated and the file contents are pretty much the same. Now, if you want to set the time and date on a file to match another file, you would use the -R or reference option. So say we touch -R, and then we put the name of the existing file, which is in this case is called old file, and we're going to change the dates on new file to reflect the same date and time as old file. So do another listing. We'll see that new file now has a date from over a year ago. Now, using the stat command on new file, we can see all of the dates associated with this file, and we can see the times that we changed it right there. We modified that to reflect the file that we just copied. Well, that's your Linux tip for the touch command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.